This is a McLaren 688 HS MSO. Well, what this car is basically a 675 LT that McLaren have themselves taken, and they said, you know what, we can make our own car better. And so they tweaked it, played with it, and yeah, went crazy. So now this car generates around 680 horsepower, and of course, because of the added bodywork, I'm sure it's faster and quicker in a straight line. It's also very rare because only 25 of these MSOs have been made. Now I'm not sure if this is including the 500 of 625 LTs made, or is it a separate 25 units. There's very little information about this car, so I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's from the 25. I mean, it's these 25 are from these 500 625 LTs made. So yeah, each car can be customized as per the customer's desires, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I love that wing. It really helps the downforce, and it looks good. And you have the exposed exhaust pipes, the diffuser. I don't like the taillights. I like the one on the 720S and the P1. So this is almost as good as a P1. The designing is inspired by the P1 GTR, which is why it has, if I am guessing correctly, a longer front splitter and a hood scoop as well. Not a hood scoop, sorry, a roof scoop. And the engine that you can find in this car is a 3.8 liter twin turbo that makes around 680 horsepower. The top speed and the acceleration have not been released, but from the 675 LT's numbers, which are really good, the acceleration of that is 2.9 seconds 0 to 60 time, and a top speed of around 330 kilometers per hour or 205 miles per hour. So I'm guessing this is going to be faster and lighter. I mean faster and quicker because it's lighter and more aerodynamic. And it's a very rare special car, so I thought I would share it with you. If you want to see videos of a Senna, P1 GTR, 720S, they're all on my channel. If you want to see supercars like this SLR or this SLR or the Sterling Moss or any other unique hypercar, supercar, just have a look at my channel.